something that blends science and art. Welcome to Sanaience. Ever thought of using Python to create artwork? Well, guess what? I just did that. But this isn't your ordinary data visualization. I took my experimental data, gathered with a UV visible spectrometer, and turned it into something completely unique. Something that blends science and art. Welcome to Sanaience, where art meets science. Here is what I started with. The data points from my experiments, X and Y values, collected through a spectrometer. But I didn't stop there. I gave these points a new dimension by assigning random z values to each one. That's right, each data point became a 3D coordinate space, ready to be transformed into something visually stunning. Each point in this design is part of my personal research journey. This artwork reflects not only my data but my experience. It's a reflection of the scientific process turned into a visual artwork, something entirely unique to me. Using Python, I connected these points with random lines, creating an intricate web. Picture it like a digital spider weaving its web. But instead of random threads, every line, every connection was grounded in real scientific data. It's a fusion of numbers and imagination. And here's the result. One-of-a-kind artwork. This isn't just a pretty image, it's a visual representation. I'm sure to like and hit the subscribe button of my research journey, a transformation of data into art. Random z values and the chaotic yet structured web of lines create something both organic and calculated, just like the unpredictable, methodical nature of science. Who says that science and art can't go together? With a little bit of imagination, something like this can happen and it would be beautiful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and hit the subscribe button. Share this with your friends and family. Until next time, bye!